Feeling overwhelmed by life's endless to-do list? I totally get it. That's why today I'm inviting you to create your very own mindfulness kit, a little box of calm you can reach for whenever stress creeps in. Let's start simple. Grab a jar and fill it with water, glitter, and a dash of glue. Give it a shake and watch your worries swirl and settle. That's your sensory jar. A gentle reminder to pause and breathe. Next, fold up a tiny notebook for your gratitude journal. Each night, jot down 3 things you're thankful for. You'll be amazed at how even small sparks of appreciation can brighten your day. Now let's get a bit cozy. Scoop some dried lavender or chamomile into a cloth sachet. These scents are like a hug for your senses. Tuck them into your bag or under your pillow whenever you need a moment of calm. For those days when self-doubt whispers a little too loudly, affirmation cards are your secret weapon. Write out a handful of kind, powerful statements like, I am enough, or this moment will pass. Finally, scribble a few breathwork or grounding prompts on sticky notes. When anxiety strikes, these gentle reminders can guide you back to the present. And there you have it. A stress-busting mindfulness kit made by you for you. Tell me, what would you put in your kit? Drop your ideas in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more mindful moments.